Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I am Javon Keys. Sauces and spices company Spur Spices Jamaica became the first company to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange for 2022. The company recently raised $335.3 million via the junior market. The offer was oversubscribed by 300%. Spur says the additional capital will be used for expansion. Meanwhile, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forrest, says Spur's listing is a good sign for the junior market.
The junior market is now in its 13th year, and we now have 42 companies or 43 listed securities. And I am expecting that we are going to be seeing more with this company coming, this company doing well. We should expect to see more companies listing on the exchange. And with the capital raise today, we are now the total capital on the exchange is this junior market is $12.95 billion.
And at the end of today's trading session, the junior market index declined by 13 points, while the JSE index lost 2,282 points. Now, Spur Spices Jamaica led today's advances. The other winners include Kingston Wharves, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, Paramount Jamaica, and Epley Caribbean Fund, while on the losing side were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Dolphin Cove, Margaritaville Turks, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Indus Pharma. Now back to some company news. Amber Group has acquired South Africa-based IntelliBusiness Solutions IBS. IBS will be renamed as Amber IoT Limited. The South African company has a 10-year history of developing hardware solutions for large corporations. Similar to the global outlook for growth, the Caribbean region is expected to see slower growth into 2023. The World Bank's Economic Prospects Report indicated that growth for the region is projected to soften to 2.6% for 2022. Growth in 2023 is projected to be just 0.1% better at 2.7% during that year. The report says growth continues to be affected by fiscal and monetary policy tightening. Improvements in labor market conditions continue to also be sluggish, and external conditions are less supportive for growth. The World Bank says, however, the growth should still bring the region back to pre-COVID-19 levels. However, the recovery is expected to be uneven across the region and prolonged in some countries. Let's head to the currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.84. $124.87 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $212.11 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $181.53. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.